Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Kamran and you're watching my YouTube channel. And in this video tutorial, I will give you a demonstration about the gauge chart. It is one of the best representation to showing the percentage for a specific product or a category or any dimension. So let's see how we can do it in Tableau. The next you will see my computer screen. Please do not forget to subscribe or like my channel if you want to see the similar kind of videos. Thank you so much.
Hi guys, so this is my computer screen. Let's quickly begin with the today's tutorial, the gauge chart. How we can do this, I will demonstrate in few minutes. Currently in this gauge I am showing profit ratio. What is profit ratio? Particular category percentage of particular category profit ratio over the total profit. So currently from the total profit, furniture have 6.44% ratio, office supplies has 42% ratio, and 50% is from the technology. So how we can do this? Let's see very quickly. I will open a new version, new file. And for this tutorial I will use the same Tableau file which is the sample data store set. I'll just click on this and see it automatically bring everything into the sheet. So I already create one calculated field profit ratio. In that case, if you don't have it, just right click, add it, or you will add this formula. How we can do this? For this I also prepare some formulas. These formulas are very important, and these are the list of total calculated field. You can copy all the fields quickly. So let's begin. We'll add first calculated field and we'll copy from here profit ratio. In my case profit ratio is already there, so no need. I will just get this one placeholder. I'll paste it here, remove everything and paste it into the name. What is the purpose of this placeholder? The purpose of this placeholder to only hold the place, so that's why we are putting only 0. I'll show where is the use of this. Say okay. And next thing, we'll have another calculated field, percentage of the profit restricted to categories. This include it's a fixed calculated function where we are including only categories. So profit calculation divided by total profit for specific categories. So this is what we are in your case. If you want to let's say you have different sales by region, in that case you will have your sales divided by total sales but include only region. So that's how you will do that one. Yes, I'll copy this. I'll create another calculated field. I'll just paste it, remove this name, Control X, even the equal sign, and just paste it here, and this is done. So now we'll have another calculated field. Now these are the calculation which are required to formulate this gauge shape. So how we can do this? I'll just copy the first one, and these numbers are very important. If you does not do this, then you have to manually sort everything. So I just quickly write these numbers to get everything quickly done. So just create another calculated field, paste. I'll remove this formula, Control X, and I'll paste it in my name, and that's all. Say apply. Similarly go with the other one, and we'll say create calculated field, paste, remove everything and paste it here as a name. So this one gray part I will explain quickly after this all the calculation are done, what is the use of each field. Control X, I'll put the name here, say number 4 calculated field. I'll remove it here. You see, only this part is a formula, the remaining part is the name of the calculation. It's very important for you to understand this, and I will explain shortly what all objects, all fields are doing. Let me just only 3 more to go. Calculated fields, Control X, and this one also. I create calculated field if condition, sorry, yes. So the last one, fire, create calculated field, paste, Control X, Control V, and we are done. So now we have all the fields available here, all the calculated fields available here. As you remember, I created a calculated field, this for P percentage, which is the profit percentage for specific to each category. If you remember, here I am including only categories. So percentage of profit over total profit will be shown for the category. In your case, if you want to use any other dimension, go ahead and change it. And this one basically colored greater than 50%. Basically this calculation create a shape of a progress gauge chart where it will show you the specific color, and this one show the remaining part as in gray area. This one show any colored and this one show the gray area. Similarly, if the size is below the 50%, then it will show the colored below 50%, and it will show below 50% of the gray area. And we have bottom half basically it will be half part. Gauge is basically a donut chart divided into half. So half part of the donut chart will covering with the white color. So how we can do it? Just simply bring the placeholder here, and then I will say it dual axis, and after that I will bring the category into the column shelves. I will bring it here, and after that I will change the type of the chart to the pie chart, and from the below area I will convert this into the white color, and the upper area I will convert a little bit bigger. Let me do it like this. So we have the donuts, but we need the gauge chart. So how we can do it quickly? I already have an here calculated field or the predefined values. We call it measure names. I will first bring the measure name into the filters, and I will say none, and I will keep only the values which I created as in calculated field. Remaining does not required. So I am done till here, and after that I will bring measure values. You see here, measure values into the detailed area, and here areas. Here I'll just do one thing. I will assign the colors for each and every major names. I'll just drag the color into the major names, and I will just click on this and say edit colors for bottom half. Double click and give the white color, say apply. Yeah, it's working. And the colored part I'll make it green. The second color I also make it green, and the pointer I will make it black. The second pointer I will also make it black, and this gray will be gray, and this gray will be gray. Say apply. That's all. And the major value will be in angles. So now our calculation is almost done. So this is how quickly you can make your chart. If you want, you can just hide this axis. No need this axis, you can hide it. Just right click and say hide, and even this category you can hide it, and this level you can also hide it. And now we just beautify it while going into the second donut area. So second gauge area. Here I will add the category into the labels, and my percentage into the labels as well. I'll go into the edit mode, and then I will just change the font to be 12 and any font style you want. Make it bold, italic. It's up to you how you want to present the percentage. If you want, give any other color, it's up to you. And that's how the numbers are not formulated as in percent. So then you can right click here and say format. Under the format you will find the number format, go to the percentage, and that's all. So our chart is ready. You can give it specific name, profit ratio per category, and you can even format this name as well, make it good style. That's all. You can add it, you can hide this card as well. Now create a dashboard, bring this into a dashboard. So if you want to set a specific value on top of it, just go to the sheet again, do one thing, come here and say format, under here, say under the automatic, say middle values, and that's all. Now you have the value into the middles, and you can arrange accordingly how you want to see. It's up to you. You will play with the things and the features, the adjustment of the style. You will able to manage it as per your need. Thank you so much for your time. If you like the video, please do not forget to press the subscribe button, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much.